How you can test cement at site. I can test whether the cement is good or bad with some techniques. Number 1, color test. The color of cement should be uniform. It may be gray or light greenish. Number 2, date of packing. The cement should be used before 90 days from the date of manufacture. Number 3, floating test. If a small quantity of cement is thrown in water, the particles should be float sometime before it sinks. Number 4, rubbing. The cement should feel smooth when touched or rubbed in fingers. Number 5, hand insertion. If hand is inserted in a bag of cement, it should feel cool, not warm. Do you know about building finishing work? Yes, and these are: number 1, tiles work; number 2, plastering work; number 3, painting work; number 4, ceiling design work; number 5, firefighting work; number 6, waterproofing work. What type of foundation are used in building construction? Mainly 2 types of foundation are used in building construction. These are: number 1, shell foundation, and number 2, deep foundation, where isolated, combined, strip, and raft foundation are shallow, and file foundation, caissons are deep foundation. Which tests are performed before and after casting of concrete? Slump test and temperature test are performed before casting, whereas compressive strain test, water permeability test, and water absorption test are done after casting of concrete. How you will define bleeding? Bleeding is one kind of segregation in which the water comes out to the surface of concrete. What is flushing in building? When any portion of building where water can penetrate and we provide safe coverings or surface is called flushing in building. How calculate the left length for column, beam, and slab? For column, the left length is calculated according to 45D. For beam in tension zone, the left length is calculated according to 45D, and for compression zone, the left length is calculated according to 24D, and for slab, the left length is calculated according to 60D. What type of waterproofing is used in concrete? Number 1, bitumen emulsion; number 2, epoxy emulsion; number 3, bitumen emulsion plus mat; number 4, epoxy based emulsion plus sheet; number 5, injection material in water tank. If a site needs soil improvement for supporting the foundation, indicate the various methods by which the capacity of soil can be improved. In case the soil improvement is to be done by additional soil layer. What are tests you will be conducting to ascertain that the required bearing capacity is achieved? These are the various methods of soil improvement. Number 1, vibroplantation method. Number 2, vibrocompaction method. Number 3, injection method. Number 4, replacement method. And number 5, compaction of files. Tests for asserting bearing capacity of soil are: number 1, standard penetration test. Number 2, plate load test. Number 3, field band shear test. And number 4, pressure meter test. Honeycombing is a common problem in columns. What solution would you suggest for this? The holes in column can be filled with connecting process or good mortar or chemical paste.